Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering 3 essentials: your account credentials, the device IMEI or serial, and access to the carrier portal. Once done, sign into the phone's remote locate service, Find My or Google Find, and attempt a location or remote lock. Make sure to note the IMEI because carriers require it to block service. Meanwhile, change the account passwords to prevent unauthorized access. These first steps both secure your data and prepare you to force the network to stop service to that number. You now contact your carrier directly to suspend or block the lost number. Explain that the device is missing, give the IMEI and account verification, and request either a temporary suspension or a permanent block. Once on the call, ask about issuing a replacement SIM to retain the number versus canceling service entirely. Carriers handle fraud differently, so confirm whether a port-out lock or PIC lock is possible. Make sure to get a reference number and expected timeline before ending the call. Finish by removing the lost device from your cloud accounts and signing out sessions on email, banking, and social apps. This prevents reactivation and account misuse. Once done, monitor your account and billing for any unusual activity and confirm the carrier's block is in effect. If calls or SMS continue, escalate immediately to the carrier's fraud team and provide the IMEI plus your support reference. If they still won't act, file a police report to force further carrier action and protect yourself.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.